Hi, good morning, everyone. I'm Yancy Lopez. I'm a nurse practitioner and the lead APC at Palmetto General Hospital. And I'm also positive to COVID-19. And this is why I want to share my story with everyone who's going through the same thing so that you guys know that there is a great support and that you will make it out of this. My first symptoms started back in March the 22nd, late evening Sunday, with chills and this severe headache that I had never had before. Next morning, symptoms developed rapidly. I was driving to work, and by the time I got there, I had this scratchy throat, and I had a fever of 101.3. I discussed it with my FND, Dr. Lacey, who in conjunction with Dr. Hussein determined that I was a PUI, and they took me into an isolation room, tested me, and sent me home. It took 12 days for the results to come back. And you can wonder a lot on those 12 days. The first 4 to 5 days were the worst. The headaches wouldn't stop. The fever will reach 103. And the extreme fatigue in my body, not being able to sustain myself, were really scary. But mostly scary was as I'm locked in the room, hearing my son scream to my husband, I want to be with my mommy because my mommy is sick and she needs me. Shortly after that, my husband developed symptoms too. So the wondering was even worse. Now who's gonna take care of my son if something happens to us? And that was the scary part, possibly. I mean, he's only 4 years old. He'll be 4 years old next week. He's just a baby, thinking that he's a big man. The second week was really bad. I had short of breath and I had a barking cough, and my saturations were dropping anywhere from 94 to 95. So it was even more scary and to wonder what's going to happen with me. And my husband's symptoms didn't last as long. So that was sort of a relief when you have to worry as a mother what's going to happen to your son. It was definitely 3 roller coasters weeks, and finally the Department of Health cleared me on the 15th of this month and said that I'm okay to be off quarantine. So thank to God and to all the prayers that my husband and I and my baby are okay. During this time, I had a tremendous support from friends, family, my coworkers, and TeamHealth. The moment I called my APC director and the assistant director, Beth and Greg, they contacted me right away, and they didn't stop reaching out to me every day, making sure that I was okay. My coworkers, it didn't take probably 20 minutes before I have all my shifts covered. They jumped in with no hesitation. My colleagues and the doctors in that group chat that we have, making me feel better and saying that I was stronger than the virus and the virus was not going to take me down. People from HR, from TeamHealth calling me and wanting to make sure that I knew the resources that are available for us and how to reach to them, making sure that I have everything. And people from senior vice presidents for marketing calling me and making sure that I have enough groceries and enough medicines. And is my son okay? Is my husband okay? I didn't have to worry about getting paid. Even if I didn't have sick time, they paid me. And I didn't have to worry about paying my bills. These are hard times, and we're going to definitely uncertain times and very stressful times. But having the support that I have had with my coworkers, family, and the company that I'm working for gives a peace of mind to each one of us who's going through this. And I want you to know that there is support and that there is availability for it. And if you need to reach out, do not hesitate, because they really care for the team. I wanted to thank you all. And if anyone out there is going through the same thing and wants to reach out to me, feel free to do it. I'm more than happy to talk to you and share our experiences. Thank you.